Good evening, everybody. A little short video that I wasn't expecting to make, but I noticed that my friend Rob from Sapper had his channel terminated. From what I understand, it was because of his latest giveaway where he was encouraging people what YouTube says was a sub for sub encouragement. I saw the video. He didn't ask anyone to sub anyone else. He said find a small channel, check out a video, leave a comment, then go back to his channel and leave a comment of who they watched, what video it was, so that he could find the comment and enter them in a giveaway contest. How this is bad, I don't know, because he never once suggested subscribe to that channel. He said check out a channel, see if you like it. If you like it, subscribe. Why not? If you don't like it, don't subscribe. So what is the problem? Is YouTube going so left-wing that they cannot allow small people to actually flourish in this growing age of media and globalization? Are they scared that people like us who grow our own food, who aren't mainstream, are going to take over the world? I think we have enough Democrats trying to do that already. So I'll leave that job to them. But it's a shame that they want to take Sapper Gardener off of YouTube over something as stupid as encouraging people to reach out and visit a channel they haven't been to before and see what that channel has to offer, and to see if it is something that is suitable for their interest that they want to come back to and watch again and see their new content that they create. We are content creators. We're also content consumers. There is no reason why we cannot do both. I don't understand how YouTube got the idea that he was suggesting in any way a sub for sub video. He did not. He said, check out another channel, leave a comment, come back to his channel, let him know what channel they watched, what video it was, so that he could go find the comment and enter them in the drawing to win his giveaway. That is not sub for sub. That is broadening your horizons. That is learning from someone else. That is experiencing something that you haven't had before. That's just like trying a different food for the first time. Who wants to, if tacos are your favorite food, you don't want them every day for the rest of your life. Sooner or later, you're going to want a hamburger. YouTube is the same way. We might be homesteaders and we might be a close-knit community, but we don't subscribe to just homesteading channels. I don't. I'm pretty sure everyone watching this video doesn't. And I'm so aggravated right now that my friend Rob, that I just subbed to a few weeks back and hadn't even finished watching all of his videos, is taken off the air, that I can't even hold the camera still. It's shaking. I'm just that upset. Along with the video that I posted yesterday with my frustrations of college administration and being jerked around by them, the last thing we need is more bureaucracy breathing down our necks so that we cannot live a life and be happy and productive. This is just ridiculous. YouTube, clean your act up, or people will stop following YouTube altogether. They will even quit Patreon, which is a branch of YouTube. There are other media platforms out there, and they will grow and YouTube will shrink. Bring back Sapper Gardener. We implore you. He is a good man, and he did an honorable service to this country with his military career, and he does not deserve to be treated the way YouTube has treated him. So I'm going to end it there before I get a little bit more angry. And I'm going to say God bless you all. God loves you. And this is Morgan with Agape Farms. Thanks for watching the rant. And please, I want to shout out to everyone. Post a video. Bring back Sapper Gardner. We all want him. We all need him. We all need to stick together. Thank you.